Hello children, very good morning. Welcome to English class. How are you all? All of it are fine? Okay. So children, in the yesterday's class we read the O sound words. Is it? The O sound words we read it. So everyone is learning it with the spelling? Okay. You have to practice it every day. Okay. So O is a what? Vowel. So can you tell me the vowels? How many vowels are there? Very good. 5 vowels. So which are the 5 vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Is it? Yes. So in that yesterday's class, which vowel we learned? O vowel. Is it? Yes. So in the today's class also, we'll write and we'll read it, the O sound words. Okay. So we'll read it, we'll trace it and we'll write it. Okay. Yes. So this is your class work. Okay. So you have to write in the class work this. Okay, with the reading. So now see here. COD cod, NOD nod, POD pod, FOG fog, DOG dog, LOG log, HOT hot, POT pot, LOT lot. So these are what? O sound words. Okay. Yes. So this is COD cod, NOD nod, POD pod. So this is a OD odd sound words. Okay. Yes. Next FOG fog, DOG dog, LOG log. So this is a OG og sound words. Okay. Next HOT hot, POT pot, LOT lot. So this is a OT odd sound words. Okay. Yes. So now how I read it now with the spelling. So everyone has to read it and press the dots line and write the, you have to copy it down also. Okay. So we'll write it. Okay. So everyone take out your Pony's skill book. So Pony's skill book everyone open. And open page number 12. And up here write CW. Now read COD cod, NOD nod, POD pod. Okay. Now here dots lines are there, no? You have to write it here with the spelling. COD cod. COD cod. Next down also write COD cod. So you have to see the lines. Okay, see the lines and write it neatly. And spell the spelling and read the word and write it. Okay, COD cod. COD. Okay, next NOD nod. NOD nod. So here dots lines are there, no? You have to touch these lines and read it and write it. NOD nod. NOD nod. So down also write NOD nod. Okay, next now read POD pod. POD pod. So here dots lines are there, no? You have to trace the letters and read it and write it. POD pod. POD pod. So down also you have to copy it. P O D. Pod. P O D. Pod. C O D. Cod. N O D. Nod. P O D. Pod. Okay. Yes. So next, F O G. Fog. F O G. Fog. So dots line, trace and write. F O G. Fog. F O G. Fog. Down also write. F O G. Fog. Next, D O G. Dog. D O G. Dog. So dots line, trace and read. D O G. Dog. D O G. Dog. So down also write it. D O G. Dog. D O G. Dog. Next, L O G. Log. L O G. Log. So trace the dots line and write it. L O G. Log. L O G. Log. L O G. Log. L O G. Log. Okay, next, see, F O G. Fog. D O G. Dog. L O G. Log. Next, H O T. Hot. H O T. Hot. So write it here, dots line, trace and write. H O T. Hot. H O T. Hot. H down write. O T. Hot. H O T. Hot. Next, P O T. Pot. P O T. Pot. Trace the dots line and write it. P O T. Pot. P O T. Pot. P O T. Pot. P O T. Pot. Okay, next, L O T. Lot. L O T. Lot. So trace the dots line and write. L O T. Lot. L O T. Lot. So down also copy. L O T. Lot. L O T. Lot. Okay. Yes. So like this, everyone has to spell the spelling and read it and trace it. Okay. Okay. So next, have activities. So here, take the correct word. So you have to see the pictures, children. Okay. So these are what? Pictures. Okay. So these all are pictures. You have to write it here. So correct word you have to take. Okay. Now which picture it is? Fox picture. Is it? Yes. So what is the fox spelling? F-O-X. Fox. B-O-X, box. So in this, which one is the correct? First one is correct or second one correct? Very good. First one, F-O-X, fox. F-O-X, fox. So here in the circle, you have to tick. Okay. Next, which picture it is? P-O-D, pod. C-O-D, cod. So this picture is called pod. P-O-D, pod. Okay. So you have to take the pod word. Okay. Okay. Next, policeman. So policeman we call cop. Okay. Cop. C-O-P, cop. T-O-P, top. So this is a cop or top? Cop. So you have to take the first circle. Okay, next. T. So T is what? Cold or hot? C-O-T, cot. H-O-T, hot. So which one? The T is hot. So hot spelling H-O-T, hot. So second circle you have to tick. Okay, next. So next is the girl is what? Crying. She sighed, no? Yes, sob. S-O-B, sob. R-O-B, rob. So in this, which one is the correct? Sob. Okay. So tick the sob word. Okay. Yes. So now next picture see. So what is the next picture? The girl is running, jogging. Is it? Yes. So what is the jog spelling? J-O-G, jog. D-O-G, dog. So which one is the correct one? First one. So take the first circle. Okay. Yes. So children, so like this with a spelling you have to spell it and read this. Okay. What you done in the classwork, no? That all you have to study. So homework is reading. Okay. So both the pages spelling, with the spelling you have to read it 5 times. Okay. So everyone write it. Read 5 times HW. Page numbers 12 and 13. Homework. Okay. Reading. Read 5 times HW. Okay. So everyone do the homework, reading, and send to my WhatsApp number. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.